Hello and welcome back to the AB Tutor channel. This week I'm going to run through several policy effects which have one thing in common. They are all policy versions of right panel actions. These are offered in the policy system in order to allow you to apply them automatically based on policy conditions, such as schedules and network conditions, as covered in the linked video. This gives you the flexibility of controlling a computer directly, but also allows you the extra flexibility and power of having it happen automatically. Up first is the launch action. The configuration options here work in exactly the same way as in the action. You can specify the application you wish to run, along with any parameters, such as a document to open. You can also set the launch command to automatically repeat after the specified number of minutes. This system could be used with a schedule in order to run updates or administrative functions once a week, or to ensure that a certain application is always open. Next we have Lock Computer. From here, you can select any lock messages you've already made through the right panel interface, or create a new one in the policy. These lock screens will all be shared between policies and actions. Again, this allows you to apply the policy based on a schedule, perhaps to lock computers in a classroom at lunchtime when they're not supposed to be being used. Log off is very similar to the right panel action, but once again has the option to trigger repeatedly. This, along with the very similar power and sleep actions, can be used with a schedule to ensure computers are turned off or logged off at the end of the day when people go home, as covered in the linked video. Screen capture can be used to automatically record what specific users are doing on computers by applying it to a group with their username in it. It has additional options to split up the video into sections, making it easier to go through later. We recommend being careful with applying long-term recording policies, as it can create a lot of data and load on the server. Command actions are again identical to the right panel option, except they also allow the command to automatically repeat. This could be used to ensure computers always keep their Active Directory settings up to date by refreshing them every hour, for example. More details for all of these options are available from the linked videos about the specific action, so I would recommend watching those if you need more information. However, if you still need any help, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.